My friends, it is finally time. In today's video, we are going to be going over everything in the Stylevana Advent Calendar for 2022. Some of you may know I loved Stylevana's Advent Calendar from last year so much that it remains behind me. Yes, I get this question all the time. This behind me is last year's Stylevana Advent Calendar repurposed. It makes great shelves. Also did not expect it to actually still be going at a year, but yeah, it's pretty well constructed. So I'm super grateful to Stylevana for sending this over another year, and yet again, they've outdone themselves with this calendar. Now, really quickly, some of you are watching this video for full spoilers, and you are going to get that. As always, there will be a timestamp in the description box below that you can use to jump to just the unboxing portion. Within the unboxing portion, you will see swatches up on the screen. You will see my thoughts. At this point, I've tried 23 out of 25 items in this box. But for those of you who don't want full spoilers, you just kind of want a bit of a rough idea about what's going on with this calendar, I will give you that as well, and I will tell you when is the correct time to click off of today's video. A bit of a quick overview. This is officially available as of today. If you would like to get a discount, feel free to use my discount code INF10RABBITH, also in the description box below. That will both give you a discount and also help to support the channel. This box does contain, as mentioned, 25 items, and before I show you everything, I'm going to give you again a quick overview. The theme for this year is Find Your Beautiful Self. What an uplifting message, and yes, the items do match the theme. It contains 23 full-size items and 2 travel sizes, so by far it is mostly full-size items. 17 skincare items. It is very heavy on skincare. I know this has been a bit of a concern for some people in choosing the right advent calendar. Yes, 17 items, mostly skincare in this box. There are 5 makeup items. Even that's a little bit debatable. One of them is kind of almost a skincare makeup hybrid. We have 2 hand care items and 1 hair care item. Here's the box with the outer sleeve removed, and let's go ahead and get into this box. My friends, perhaps to be expected, the entire calendar doesn't fit on the screen, but it's okay. We can shift things around and we can make this work. Are you ready to get into this? We are gonna start with day number 1. Now, confession. I hope you all know that I actually am giving you very authentic reactions here. I don't know what everything is in here, except for this one. Because my sweetie, Ara, was helping me to set everything up, and she pulled out drawer 1. So I've already done the shrieking over this product. This is the Skin 1004 Hyaluronic Blue Serum. You all probably saw a review on this product recently on this channel. If not, I will make sure to link it. This is the line that I would say is for oily to dehydrated skin. Skin 1004 is such a great brand, so exciting to start with such a bang with this calendar. Moving along to day number 2, which I truly have absolutely no idea what is in here, so let us find out together. Oh my goodness, is this actually 2 items in one day? It is! It is! It's 2 items from Frutia. It is the Blueberry Hydrating Intensive Cream and the Blueberry Hydrating Cream. I can't wait to show you the close-ups on these because the packaging is absolutely adorable on these little Frutia products. And again, these are great sizes to get to try these. This is so exciting. 2 for 1, y'all. Stylevana is out here outdoing themselves already, just on day 2. Okay, moving on to day number 3. Uh-oh. Oh, it almost fell at the top. I'd rather they package these as well as they do than not, though. Okay, this looks like a makeup item. Oh, it's an Etude Fixing Tint. These are really nice. Midnight Mauve. I do have one of these. They're great lip products. They actually last a really long time on your lips. And if you're looking to do the gradient effect, these work really well for that. Day number 4 is over here. All right, here we go. These are such long boxes. Can you see this? Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. COSRX Propolis Honey Overnight Mask. This is an amazing product. I actually ran out of this a while back. I do have this in my COSRX trial. It's amazing. Used up the whole thing. this is so exciting to get a second one of because I really, really enjoyed this line. If you have dry skin, the Propolis Honey line from, Propolis line from Cosrx is amazing. Goodness gracious, y'all, Stylevana is always outdoing themselves. Okay, so we are moving on to day 5 down here, which is a big one. It's a big day. Let's see what we have. This is the TM Blackhead Sheet Out. I almost said Blackhead Out Sheet. I almost don't dead open insided this. Okay, so is this a pore care sheet pack that gently softens and dissolves blackheads and sebum? I don't know what this is. Well, one thing is for sure, I will have video up showing you whatever this is, but I'm perplexed right now. I thought maybe it was a cleansing balm, but I'm not. Oh, wait, maybe it's a nose pack? Day number 6 is slightly off screen down here, but again, we'll pull it out and it'll work out, okay. So we have, Peslo, I love the Peslo brand, so underrated. This is the Elastox Hand Ampoule. I have almost bought this so many times. I'm really ridiculously curious to see what a hand ampoule does, and hey, you know what? You know what you see on the screen right now? Let's try it now. Whoa, it's watery. It says to shake it, it's watery. There are always seals on these. Not to be confused with the aquatic type, but I would take that as well. Wow. It's like a hand serum. Oh, please do something for my hands, please. I really do not like my hands. We've talked about this before on the channel. Oh, wow, that's really soothing. It made my palms feel a little slimy, but I feel like it's sinking in fairly quickly. That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Really happy with the variety so far. Okay, we did day 6. Now we need to do day number 7. Another hand cream. Well, no, I shouldn't say another hand cream because this was actually a hand ampoule followed by a hand cream. This is like all products we can try on right now. Esfolio. I have tried a few products from this brand. Okay, I hope it smells like peaches. Yeah, okay, so this is your standard hand cream. Ooh. Oh, I forgot I don't like peach smells. That is very much personal preference though, but this feels really nice. That feels nice. I'm grateful for the hand products so early in this video because you're still going to see my hands for quite a few more days. We have a lot more to open here. Let's get into day number 8 here. The Real Barrier Extreme Lip Repair. This is another product I've almost bought so many times. This is what shocks me about Stylevana's calendar. Yeah, I am so excited about trying this because the Real Barrier brand actually makes incredible products for dry skin, but they're a little bit too, it's just a little bit too much scent for my very sensitive skin type, but I bet you a lip repair will be amazing from this brand. We are on day number 9 down here. Yes. Sorry. I have used this. I have bought this. I am out of this. And you guessed it, I've missed it. The Haru Haru Wonder Black Bamboo Mist. This has such a fine nozzle on it that it, it gives a beautiful finish over makeup. Or you can use it just as a toner. This is a wonderful product. We've talked before about how I have guilt on repurchasing products because I also want to be trying new products for my subscribers, right? It's a bit of a conundrum, but yes, so happy to have this back. Day 10. I just have to pause for a moment because sometimes I get too excited. Okay, so what is this? Stickers in the way. Okay, here we go. Peri Para Ink Velvet. A creamy textured velvet tint that provides high pigmented colors with ink lasting effect. Okay, so it's a lip product with a lip using brush tip. I gotta open this up, y'all. I've gotta see. How cute is that? That looks like it's gonna be a really nice color too. I love red lips. We are on day 11 here. Bonjour Mugwort Cream Calming Mask. Is this one that I've tried? No, I don't think I have. I think I've tried the cleanser from this brand. Mugwort extract and mugwort powder calm irritated skin, soften skin texture, and strengthen skin elasticity. I do really like Artemisia products. This is Artemisia Princeps, 32.2%. Looks like it's a clay mask. I'll have to see how this goes for me. I did talk about trying the Eccentree mugwort mask, and it was a little too drying for me. It'll be interesting to see if this is a good in-between. Day 12 down here. little bit of a lighter day. It might be a makeup product. Okay, it is. The Riri Luxe Gel Eyeliner in Choco Brown. So gel eyeliner, so this should be your pencil style. Ooh. Oh, wow. That is very creamy. I like that that's not black also. I have a lot of black eyeliner, but this looks like a really nice brown. It's kind of warmer toned also. Day 13. Uh-oh, day 13 got stuck. Oh no! Oh no! Yes! This is one of my absolute favorite eye creams. The Hamish Marine Care Eye Cream. Oh my goodness. This is such a heavy eye cream, but I love that about it. I remember people used to call this a dupe for, I guess, La Mer's eye cream. So sorry, I'm never going to try the La Mer eye cream. Just not going to happen, but I know I love this one. Hit after hit. I don't know how they do it. Okay, day 14, which is falling out. Let's see what we have here. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is so exciting. Y'all, this is a hair product. This is for hair. This is from the EliceintheRabbitHole brand. Let's see, it says, after shampooing, dry off with towel and apply to whole damaged parts of your hair. So this is for damaged hair. Collagen coating protein ion injection. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try this. I was not expecting this calendar to go and include also hair products. Day 15. Day 15 down here. Oh. Wait, I love these. I don't know what brand this is, but I have a Korean eye pencil that, I kid you not, I love just as much as my Bobbi Brown and my Laura Mercier. This is, I haven't heard of this brand though, Twinkle Pop. But let's swatch it. Let's see if it's also nice. It's thinner. It is thinner. Look at that. Can you all see that? That looks so nice. And it's really creamy. We are on day number 16 down here. Uh-oh. Okay, here we go. This says it is the All Care Recovery Cica Aid. Are these pimple patches? Oh, please be pimple patches. All Care Recovery Cica Aid patches are made of high-quality hydrocolloid. Yes! Oh, thank goodness. I love hydrocolloids. And these ingredients here are showing these also include those active constituents of Cica. Oh, these are so exciting. Day number 17 might be slightly off the visual field here, but we'll pull it up. Here we go. Yes. I love this brand, and they are, again, an underrated brand. The Lab by Blanc Dew. This is the Oligo Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Ampoule. Yeah, this brand is, their products are so hydrating, but for some reason, they don't seem to get the attention they deserve. Day 18 is right here. Uh-oh. You all know this situation won't happen if you're unboxing this with it standing upright, right? Okay, so are you kidding me? There's a retinol product in this box. Retinol cream for wrinkle care by Bellflower. 30 milliliters of product. I'm not sure what this is right here though. 960 parts per million. Is that the retinol? I'll have to translate this, but I'll update you all. Are you kidding me? A retinol in this box. How do they have so much variety? I cannot get over it. Okay, day 19. Day 19 is another big one. It is another big one. Slightly off the screen, but we'll pull it down. Is this eye patches? I hope this is. I have bought products from this brand quite a few times at this point. They do have really nice eye patches. These are gold and snail. Gotta have some snail in this box. Oh, I'm so excited about this. It also has some of my favorite ingredients, some heart leaf and some artemisia. Cannot wait to try those. Day 20, a little bit of a lighter day, a makeup product perhaps. Is this really the Skin Food Dark Circle Cream? Because guess what? Yep, Salmon Dark Circle Concealer Cream. Guess what else I've almost bought many times? I don't understand how this box has read my mind. I'm gonna open this up because I can kind of see the color in there, but I want to see it better. This has been something I've been wondering for a while. Is this going to be kind of like the Becca option? Here goes the reveal. That actually might be a really good color. I'll have to add in some swatches later because I'm not sure where my Becca is at the moment, but imagine if this is a dupe. How exciting would that be? All right, day 21. All right, kind of lighter. What we have. Yes! Make Prim UV Defense Me Daily Sun Essence. I'm so glad that there's a sunscreen in this box as well. I mean, I just cannot get over how much they've covered absolutely everything, and I don't think I have tried this one. This is the Essence, which again, you know I'm gonna say, I've almost bought it a million times, but I have a lot of sunscreen. So, formulated with 73% moisture essence. Powerful UV protection without greasiness. Absolutely cannot wait to try this. Cannot wait. It must take Stylevana ages to curate these because there's so much thought that goes into these. I'm not going to say it because you all know it, because this has been a TikTok viral, as they say, product. The Axis Y Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum. But yes, I have indeed almost bought it so many times. Niacinamide 5%, squalane, and some sea buckthorn. I love sea buckthorn. I also really like Axis Y. It's a brand that you know what? Let's just do a trial with it. Now that I have this also, let's do an Axis Y trial. I don't even care if it doesn't get a lot of views because I feel like this brand, what they're doing is so unique. They actually focus on not just your skin type, but your climate too. Who thinks about that? You know, nobody thinks about that. Oh, I cannot wait to try this. Day 23. Are you ready? I'm going to cut out the screen that I just did because this is one of my favorite sunscreens, the Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel from Eccentree. I decluttered all of these sunscreens that I had, and then what did I do? I started missing them. So I'm so happy to have this again because sometimes you are in the mood for glow, and now it's back in my life. Our very last day, day 24. Uh-oh, it fell out again. It's going to be Beauty of Joseon, isn't it? It's Beauty of Joseon. Which product, though? Relief Sun! Oh my goodness. I have exactly 0 complaints about getting 3 sunscreens in this box because y'all know we use the heck out of sunscreens. This is an amazing sunscreen. I've talked about it a ton on this channel, but for good reason. For very good reason. So now that you've seen everything in this box, what do you think? Pretty impressive box, right? I don't know how Stylevana does it year after year. They put out such good advent calendars. I thought it might be helpful if I close out this video by really quickly going over everything by category, this time a lot more expanded than you saw in the intro. So we have, in terms of skincare, 2 serums, 1 ampoule, 3 sunscreens, 2 masks, 1 sleep pack, 1 retinol, 1 lip mask, 2 moisturizers, 1 mist, 1 eye mask, 1 eye cream, and 1 set of hydrocolloids. 5 makeup items, 2 of which are lip products, 2 hand care items, and 1 hair care item. Shoot, a person could have a pretty great weekend in Vegas with all that stuff. I really feel like Stylevana nailed the ratio of skincare to makeup with this one. I know that in some other advent calendars we may have discussed, people have expressed concern about what to do with, you know, too many makeup products. I feel like this is just the right amount, that if you don't wear makeup for whatever reason, you could just gift these products to somebody else and it would be a great gift. And my friends, that pretty much brings us to the end of today's video, but as always, feel free to leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know if you will be picking up this advent calendar, if you'll be gifting it to others, if you'll be keeping it for yourself. Once again, a huge thank you to Stylevana, truly one of my absolute favorite companies in existence. Beautiful calendar, you've outdone yourselves yet again, yet again. Thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you all next time.